Hi, everybody. 3 News senior meteorologist Matt Wintz with a look at your forecast. Thanks for taking time out of your day to join us here on our YouTube channel. We have a beautiful day unfolding. Lots of sunshine outside, high clouds starting to win out. And eventually those clouds will win out with temperatures in the mid-40s. And we're talking rain later on this evening. It's going to happen pretty quickly as this rain moves in. We'll have temps near 40 degrees. Rain moves in after that evening rush hour. And it's going to be kind of a rainy overnight around here. But yes, we're talking rain with temperatures near 40. This is going to help wash the salt off the roadways and the sidewalks and your deck and whatever else you've put it on. This will give us a nice cleanse that we've been waiting for the last 4 weeks, really. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, it gets a little interesting. We've got a low pressure that will move over northeast Ohio. So when you do, you get kind of complicated weather that's location dependent. Let me explain here. We're going to start with rain in the morning. Temperatures will be in the 40s in our northern counties, pretty much everywhere. But what's going to happen is that low comes in. It will drag colder air in off the lake. And so temps will likely fall in our lakeshore counties with cold rain. It's not going to be the best of days tomorrow in our northern counties. Meanwhile, down to the south, depending on how far north this warm front makes it, it's going to be a game changer of a day once that warm front moves through. So we're going to have a few hour window where we get temperatures that surge into the 50s from Akron down towards Canton, Dover. If this front's a little bit further south, Dover and Worcester would be the only two that get warm. But either way, we're looking at about a 3-hour window of some warmth coming into this system in our southern counties. And then by late afternoon into the evening, we all turn colder as the low heads out towards the east. That will bring in not just colder air, but it'll change our rain over to wet snow before coming to an end. Not a lot of snow, but could get a little slushy around here. And then Saturday morning, we're back near 20 degrees, a cold start. Any of that water that fell from the rain is going to be obviously turning into ice. So not expecting widespread icing, but we will have slick spots as you go into your Saturday morning. How much rain? 1/2 inch to 1 inch. That'll wash things off, right? How much snow? Not a lot. 1/2 inch to maybe 1.5 inches, again, of wet, slushy snow. That would be Friday night. Later you're out Friday night. That's when things could get a little trickier. In terms of the forecast, temperatures, boy, they go up and down. We're down on Saturday. We go right back up on Sunday for Groundhog Day, and then we kind of taper off into the 30s once again Tuesday. February is notorious for bringing up and down temperatures as we start to battle. The air masses, the warm tries to get in, the cold tries to get in all at the same time. We tend to be right in between. So that's the reason for it. In terms of weather systems, no big systems for next week. We've got one that's going to miss us to the north. I could see some sprinkles out of this or light rain showers Sunday at times. Another system could bring some flurries in here Monday. No direct hits from those, though. And then it's later next week. We continue to highlight, if you've been joining us here on our YouTube channel, we continue to highlight in the long term that we get very active around here later next week into the following weekend. And right now, the model's starting to come together on this, saying perhaps we get some rain around here Wednesday into Thursday. The Euro, which I'm showing here, shows that we may even have some thunderstorms around here Thursday with temperatures surging into the 50s. But then behind that, there's good consensus in the modeling that we turn colder by next weekend. And if there's another wave of low pressure along this boundary down to our south, which the Euro is indicating and the GFS is indicating as well, we would get a round of accumulating snow for a lot of people next weekend, next Saturday. So we'll have to watch. Could be some kind of winter storm around here a week from this Saturday. Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast. The up and downs continue. Groundhog Day on Sunday looks nice. We'll have clouds around, but upper 40s to near 50. And then we scale back into the 30s by Tuesday with another system bringing temperatures way up before they come back down on the backside of that. Certainly an active pattern around here. You want to make sure you keep up with the latest forecasts. You can do that by watching us on the TV side of things. We're on next at 4 o'clock. Enjoy your day, everybody. We'll see you then.